Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to enable a passkey on Kraken. Passkeys makes your Kraken account more secure and easier to log into. There's no passwords needed, and they use your device's built-in security like fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock to verify you. First of all, launch open the Kraken app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your name initial at the top left corner. In the Accounts tab that pops up on the screen, click on Security. Under Security, tap on Passkeys. Now click on Add Passkey at the very bottom, and then go ahead and scan your Face ID, fingerprint, or your device's lock screen depending upon your device's type. And once you do that, you'll be able to add a passkey on your wallet. Your new passkey will be added on the Passkeys tab. Now you can log in without typing a password on Kraken. So that's how you enable a passkey on Kraken. From now on, signing in will be much easier and faster and secure using your device's built-in authentication. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.